Let me show you how to sous vide a filet mignon. First, we're gonna take our filet mignons from Chicago Steak Company and we're gonna open them up and then pat them dry. Next, we're gonna take some butcher twine and tie it around the filet, and this is gonna help hold its shape throughout the cook. Then we're gonna season it up. We're gonna use a little bit of a neutral oil, and then we're gonna season with salt, pepper, and garlic. Make sure to give it an even coating and cover all sides. Next, we're gonna put each individual filet in its own vacuum seal bag and vacuum all the air out. Make sure it's nice and tight. I'm setting my sous vide machine to 133, and once that comes to temperature, we're gonna drop in both of our fillets. After 1.5 hours, we're gonna take it out of the sous vide. Make sure you pat it really dry. This is gonna help us get a good crust. Heat a cast iron to high heat, and I'm gonna add a little bit of peanut oil because it has a high smoke point. Sear your filet for about 1 minute each side. You just wanna get a good crust here. It's already cooked. Once you've got a good crust, take it off and let it rest. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of butter, and then after about 5 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and slice it up. Slice it up to a perfect medium rare. This steak was so good. It was so tender on the inside with a nice crust on the outside. Definitely got to give this one a try.